to 3.TV, I am Ruchi Sharma. After delays in Congress over Republican concerns with central bank digital currencies, the U.S. House of Representatives has passed 3 pieces of crypto legislation. In a Thursday House session, lawmakers voted 294-134 to pass the Digital Asset Market Clarity Act, a bill aimed at establishing a market structure for cryptocurrencies. 308 and 122 in favor of the Guiding and Establishing National Innovation for U.S. Stablecoins, that is Genius Act, and 219 and 210 for the Anti-CBDC Surveillance State Act. Almost 80 Democrats voted yes for the Clarity Act and more than 100 for the Genius Act, with the bills having been expected to move through the chamber before Congress breaks for its August recess. SharpLink Gaming, the largest corporate holder of Ether, is raising its equity sale target from $1 billion to $6 billion, expanding its strategy of buying ETH for Treasury reserves. In an updated filing with the US SEC on Thursday, the Minnesota-based affiliate marketing firm disclosed a prospectus supplement that increases the amount of common stocks eligible for sale by $5 billion on top of the $1 billion previously filed on May 30th. The firm says it may sell an additional $279 million from the previous authorization alongside the new $5 billion issuance. BlackRock is looking to add staking to its iShares Ethereum trust, a move that would allow the fund to earn rewards by validating transactions on the Ethereum network. Nasdaq, which lists the fund, submitted the amended 19B4 filing on Thursday. The update signals that BlackRock is aiming to go beyond simple Ether exposure and participate in Ethereum's proof-of-stake consensus system. If approved, the ETF could stake a portion of its ETH holdings through one or more trusted providers to generate additional yield. Canary Capital has filed with the US SEC to launch the Canary staked INJ ETF, offering investors exposure to the Injective token along with built-in staking rewards. Injective is the native token of the Injective blockchain, a layer 1 platform designed for decentralized finance. The ETF aims to simplify access to staking by removing the need for self-custody or complex on-chain steps. Canary Capital says demand for regulated INJ exposure is growing among retail and institutional investors. If approved, the ETF would make staking more accessible while tracking the price of INJ, expanding mainstream investment options in blockchain assets. Singapore-based crypto mining firm BitOrigin has announced plans to raise $500 million to build a large Dogecoin treasury. The company aims to secure $400 million in equity and $100 million in convertible debt from accredited investors, with $15 million of the debt already raised. A significant portion of the funds will go towards Doge purchases as part of a new treasury strategy. BitOrigin follows the path of companies like MicroStrategy, which began stockpiling Bitcoin in 2020. This marks a growing trend of corporations holding crypto beyond just Bitcoin on their balance sheet as strategic digital assets. Semler Scientific bought another $25 million in Bitcoin, increasing its holdings to nearly 5,000 BTC, but its stock remains down 22% year to date. In early July, it acquired 210 BTC at an average price of $118,974 per coin, according to a US SEC filing. The company now holds 4,846 BTC bought for $455 million and currently worth $577.9 million. Backed by a $175 million capital raise in April, Semler aims to hold 105,000 BTC by 2027, about 0.05% of all Bitcoin that will ever exist. The RGB protocol has officially launched on the Bitcoin mainnet, enabling the creation and transfer of tokenized assets such as stablecoins, NFTs, and custom tokens on Bitcoin and the Lightning Network. The system uses client-side validation, ensuring off-chain privacy and minimal blockchain bloat while anchoring proof to Bitcoin transactions. Tether's USDT will be RGB's first real-world application, offering fast, low-cost stablecoin transfers on Bitcoin without relying on external chains. According to Boosty Labs CEO Victor, RGB supports DeFi applications on Bitcoin, offering EVM compatibility and enabling decentralized trading through Lightning-based atomic swaps with enhanced privacy and scalability. Bitcoin native DeFi protocols have seen a massive rise in adoption, with total value locked, jumping from $307 million in January 2024 to $6.36 billion by mid-2025, according to a report by ARC Network. Growth has been driven by lending apps, stablecoins, and institutional interest. Based on input from 125 users and builders across Asia and Africa, 59% cited lending platforms as the top use case, followed by Bitcoin-backed stablecoins and decentralized exchanges. However, trust remains a concern. 36% still prefer cold storage and 60% flagged smart contract risk as the biggest security issue in Bitcoin DeFi adoption. President Donald Trump is preparing to sign a major executive order this week that could reshape the $9 trillion US retirement market. The order will allow Americans to invest in Bitcoin, gold, and private equity through their 401k retirement plans. According to a Financial Times report, the order would direct federal agencies to remove rules that currently block these assets from being included in professional managed 401k plans. Right now, most 401k accounts are limited to mutual fund holding, public stocks, and bonds. Trump's plan would open the door to retirement plan managers to offer digital assets like Bitcoin. BSTR Holdings to become the fourth largest public Bitcoin treasury with 30,021 BTC on its balance sheet. The company also secured the largest ever PIPE financing of $1.5 billion in combination with the Bitcoin Treasury SPAC merger with Cantor Equity Partners. BSTR Holdings to go public in a business combination with Cantor Equity Partners, according to an official announcement on July 17. The leading global financial services firm Cantor Fitzgerald sponsored the $4 billion Bitcoin purchase deal. With Adam Back as CEO and Sean Bill, CIO, the company will boost Bitcoin ownership per share while accelerating real-world Bitcoin adoption. The firm will use all proceeds to acquire additional Bitcoin and to build a suite of Bitcoin-native capital market products and advisory services. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Mruchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to 3.TV. And for more information stories, log on to our website www.3worldchief.io or scan the QR code.